Good morning, everybody. Boy, I was a little bit tired. It's already bright outside. I am at another park. I came early this morning. No, I'm just relaxing. I do have to do some work today, and I have it right here. I'll show you. Just put these back up there. So anyways, I am going to be selling this morning. Hopefully it sells today because I spent quite a bit of money on gas. And yeah, I would really like to make some money. So this is a real gold necklace. It's gold filled. I get a lot of people tell me, oh, it's not real gold. Yes, real gold it can be gold filled. Gold filled is real gold. But anyways, it's really pretty. I actually modeled it on my site. And these are the earrings. And it has a really pretty ring and bracelet combo. So yeah, all I'm gonna do this morning is sell this morning. And I also made these. I don't sell a lot of, I don't sell these on my website because I only have real gold and silver, or gold plated. And anyways, these are little necklaces. Just take one apart real quick. These are some necklaces that I made, and they're basically, you put a little piece of felt there. You can also use clay, and you just pat it down in there, and yeah, you just put it on there, and then you wait for it to dry. If it's clay, if it's just felt, then you're gonna glue it. You're gonna glue it onto this little area here, and you put a drop of essential oil. So say you're just, you had a bad day the day before, and you just really need to calm down and try to be stress-free, then you would buy an essential oil. I like peppermint a lot because it just really helps to calm me. And yeah, sometimes I just use one of these. I have my own, and I just put a little peppermint on it, and I wear it for the day, and you can smell it, and it just smells so beautiful. It's very calming. Anyways, I also use the Calm app, and no, they don't know anything about me mentioning this, but I absolutely love the Calm app. I listen to the rain on my cell phone on the Calm app, and it just like really puts me to sleep right away, because my favorite thing is the rain, especially here in Arizona, because we don't hardly get rain. When I lived in Oregon for a little while, we got lots of rain, and I miss all that, the rain and the trees, which I might be going to visit soon. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna sell those, and I'm obviously I have to put some felt in it. If not, then I'm just probably gonna sell them really cheap like that. And today, well, let me scoot back in my little spot again. So today I wanted to draw some pics up because I am going to be having a little showcase of some of my stuff that I draw. So I am going to go into the park and find some things that I can draw. I have all my stuff that I usually keep in this, like there's a little thing on the bottom of this that opens up. I think I've shown you guys where I put my clothes, but I also keep some of my drawing stuff in there, and actually this thing does fit in there too, but I just have it out because I'm going to be painting and drawing a lot more because I need to make a lot more money. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But first I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I got up and I cut up some avocados. I love having avocado for the morning. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have right now. I just cut it up and put it in my little container so it doesn't get all brown. But I'm gonna have that. It's already getting a little brown, but that's okay. I already stuck some salt on it. And after I have breakfast, I'm gonna have a salad for lunch. And yeah, I'll show you my salad. It's just an already put together salad. I don't know. I like to buy these at Walmart. Yeah, it has a lot of yummy stuff in it. A lot of yummy stuff. Per serving. I don't know how many servings there are in this, but this is 150 servings. 150 calories per serving. And 1 cup is a serving. There's 4 in here. So it's like 400 calories if anybody's watching their weight. I don't. So I eat the whole bag. But even if you ate the whole bag, it's still fine. Anyways, I better get up. Better get up and get moving because I don't want to be lazy. I have a lot of things to do today. I'm also going to be working on a book that I am writing myself. And I'll let you guys know more about that later on. But I'll be selling it probably on Amazon and a few other places. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys on that. I really got to do some work, so I'm going to eat breakfast and I'm going to start selling my stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you.